Most people think all moving companies are the same, but here's the surprising truth. The difference between a good mover and a bad one is stress level, not price. Today we're reviewing Mayflower based on real usage experience. Mayflower is one of the oldest moving companies in the United States with nearly a century of experience. They handle local, long-distance, and international moves. The booking process starts with a quote. You provide inventory details, moving dates, and destination. Most people get this wrong, but accurate inventory is the key to accurate pricing. Mayflower offers in-home or virtual estimates, which are more reliable than instant online calculators. This reduces surprise charges later. On moving day, the crew arrives, packs items, labels boxes, and loads the truck. One strong point is professionalism. Workers are trained and usually careful with fragile items. For long-distance moves, Mayflower provides tracking, so you know where your shipment is. This adds peace of mind during multi-day transport. Another advantage is insurance coverage. Basic protection is included, and you can upgrade for full value protection. Now for the downsides. Pricing is higher than local movers or DIY options. You're paying for reliability and brand reputation. Scheduling can also be inflexible during peak seasons. Summer moves may require early booking. Customer experience varies by local franchise. Some branches perform excellently, while others struggle with communication. So who should use Mayflower? It's ideal for families, corporate relocations, and long-distance moves where reliability matters. But if you are moving a small apartment or on a tight budget, this may be overkill. The surprising truth about Mayflower is that it doesn't make moving cheap. It makes it predictable. And when relocating your entire life, predictability is often worth the cost. If this review helped you move smarter, subscribe for more honest service reviews before making big life decisions.